Hi, welcome back to Linux. We're going to look at configuring our Fedora workstation now. So we have Fedora inside of VirtualBox. We'll click Settings for Fedora. You can click the icon at the top of the screen, or you can right-click and choose Settings, either way. Or I guess you can click Control-S too, go into Settings. First thing we'll do is, on the General tab, make sure your name is right. This is the last four of your student ID. Be sure it's not 6789 unless the last four of your student ID are 6789. The number is 6789. Next, the shared clipboard. Yes, we want bidirectional. Drag and drop. Yes, bidirectional. And then for the description, you can leave that blank. Next step down, System. We won't be booting from a floppy drive today, so we can uncheck floppy. Our RAM should be set at 2048, so 2048. I have to choose 1024 because I have too little RAM on my computer. Processor, we want 2 CPUs, and we want 90% execution cap. I don't want the system to use 100% of my processor. I want to cap it at 90%. And let's go ahead and enable the physical address extension. Acceleration, we don't need to change this. Those should already be selected. Under Display, we want to increase our video memory all the way up to 128 megabytes, and we want to enable 3D acceleration. I'm going to skip down to Network. On Network, I'm going to enable the network adapter, and I'm going to choose Bridged. So the bridged adapter will let my network connect to the DHCP server locally and pull down an IP address. You can also select NAT, or you can leave it on NAT, or if you have a problem at some point, you can go back to NAT and your machine will have access. And advanced, we can give, if we choose bridged, we can choose allow all. You know what, for today's lab, let's go ahead and choose NAT for today's Linux lab. Now I'm going to go back up to storage. Under storage, we can see we have an IDE controller and a SATA controller. The IDE controller has an empty disk, so we're going to click that right there. And then over to the right side, there's the choose a virtual CD or DVD disk. We're going to click that. And I'm going to choose that disk right here. Now I've got a couple of choices right there. Both of those are the wrong choice. So I'm going to have to go find my image. It'll probably be in your downloads folder. For me, I think it's over in my var www HTML folder. And there it is. Fedora Live Workstation x86 64. Version 22-3. When I select that, you'll see the name show up now under the controller IDE. Now I choose OK, and my machine is ready to boot. I can click Start and begin my installation.